Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and today we have another Paletteful Packs box to open. For those of you who don't know, I am a crafter who is receiving an art subscription every month, and I don't know how to use the supplies, and I'm learning as I go. Green shreds. Ooh, okay. So we have a package of palette knives. Cool. Makes me very curious. We have a frame, or a canvas, a little stretch canvas. And then we have a canvas board, okay. We have Cobra solvent-free oil painting. I have never in my life painted with oil paints. Interesting. Looks like there is a yellow, a red, and a blue, if I can get this open. Yes, a yellow, a red, and a blue. Oh, okay, so here's some big tubes of the same thing. Water mixable oil color. Hey, I'm trying to film here. Water mixable oil color. So, what colors are these? White? And black. Okay. And a nice big fan brush. Oh, very soft. Okay. And we have another brush here. It's like a big juicy one. This is an 8. And okay, we have another board. This one's a little bit bigger. This is an 8x8. This is a 6x6. And okay, that's it. I really, really wish they would put instructions in this box. That would be so helpful. I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to do some research, and then we're going to create something. I hope. I had this palette paper in my supplies, so I've just put my colors on there, and I am so intimidated. This is not even funny, but I'm going to see what I can do. I have not specifically watched any videos about oil painting or anything right now because I really want to be raw and fresh. Being a crafter and not an artist is very intimidating. I feel like I don't know enough, and I don't. I don't know. Well, I don't know what I don't know. But wow, how do I get the color that I want? That's getting yucky looking. That's not the color I was hoping for at all. Okay. Red, blue, and yellow make green. That's getting very gray. So let's try a little bit more blue. I mean, it's kind of a pretty grayish, greenish, bluish color, but that's not what I was going for. I'll tell you what, I'm not even going to tell y'all what I was going for because you'd probably laugh at me. All right, I'm going to go for it. I'm going to just start scraping this onto my palette, onto my canvas here. I'm going to make sure to get the sides as well. So I know that these are going to stay wet a lot longer. So don't know if I should try to cover up the whole surface and then paint on top. I kind of think I shouldn't. So I wonder what it would be like to use a brush. Let's try that. I can definitely get into the spots a little bit better and make it a little thinner. So that's good. Oh yeah, I think I like the brush better than the palette here. So I wonder, they are water mixable. Wonder what happens if I add a little bit of water to it. Only one way to find out. Just got my brush a little wet. It's making that even easier to spread. And I just dipped into black. Why did I dip into black? Because I wasn't paying attention, that's why. Okay. So I think I really do need a pretty thin underlay here. I don't even know if I should be doing this series. What do y'all think? Should I be doing this, or should I stick to things that I know? Is it fun to watch someone who doesn't have a clue what she's doing? Or would you rather see someone who knows what they're doing this stuff? I guess it's fun to do the unboxings at least, maybe. So it is amazing to me here, as I'm doing this, how thick the stuff I put on first seems to be. I wonder if I get just a little bit more white in right now. I washed my brush out in the sink and it washed out really easily. Actually, I would say easier than even like acrylics or maybe even watercolors wash out. It just, as soon as it hit the water, it seemed like it washed out. So that's cool. Okay, so what I'm thinking is I start maybe with a more watered out thin layer, and then I can add thicker textured layers and stuff on top maybe. Okay, the fact that you can add so much water to it and it still seems to keep the same shade of the color is really cool. I am liking how it is staying wet, giving me more opportunities and more chances to try to get this more correct, more right. I don't know, maybe I should watch some Bob Ross videos and learn how to draw some happy little trees. Maybe that would help me a little bit more. I may do that before my next time that I use these. I'm just trying to get started here at least. Ooh, okay, so the sides are wet, so it's hard to pick up and paint. So my feathers are gonna go like that direction. I had the blue on my thing, and now I have white. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's all right. It's called blending as you go. You can do that with oil paints, right? This is actually kind of fun. It is giving me like texture and dimension and it's pretty cool. So I tried the fan brush, and I think I liked it before better, but let's keep going. I can tell why, real artists probably really like using oils, because the way that it's still wet is just really cool. It's a little intimidating because I'm not used to anything like this, since I've never done anything like this before. But it's really cool to like mix your colors even on the surface while you're working. And they don't just sit on top, they're blending in. And I'm enjoying that. I'm probably going to keep working on this for a while. And There's some things that are a little hard, like if I want just like a circular black eye here, and then I go over it again, it starts to blend with other things. So gonna have to give that some time and trial, but I'm very impressed, and I think these are fun, and I would recommend these because I'm definitely learning some interesting new things and playing, and that's what I think art should be about. It should be about the process of just being able to create and have some fun, and and that's what this is allowing me to do, to create something new, to practice with something I've never done before. And yeah, I like it. I think this is a win for Paletteful packs. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, and have an awesome super day. Toodles!